You already know how to attract leads, and they are coming in droves. But why aren't they buying? Well, maybe it's time you set out on the interactive content journey. Meet Ion, the platform where you create valuable and engaging content while gaining insightful data from your audience, without ever writing a single line of code. Elevate your brand by crafting unique experiences on your domain and seamlessly merge collected data and interactions into your marketing platform. Convert and guide your leads through their journey and down the funnel. Build comprehensive profiles of your leads and customers, enabling your marketing and sales teams to deliver personalized content when your prospects need it most. Design amazing experiences like quizzes, interactive ebooks, landing pages, assessments, infographics, calculators, or compact ones like pop-ups, sticky bars, modals, and forms that can be easily embedded into any web page or within Ion experiences. Streamline interactive content creation to 1 hour or less by choosing from our library of full responsive templates. And customize them, keeping your brand guidelines consistent. Or start from scratch if you like. Optimize conversion rate with A/B tests and make data flow seamless. Track and analyze results with our performance dashboard. Gain valuable zero and first-party data 100% in compliance with privacy laws to empower the sales team to close the deal. So get ready to set out on your very own interactive content journey today. Create, convert, analyze, optimize, empower, meet Ion, and engage across the full buyer's journey with creative experiences that your prospects will love, while capturing insights without ever writing a single line of code. Book a free demo right now.